One of the most underrated things when like improving your sleep is probably like micropore tape. You don't understand like how much this actually does help. Because when I use micropore tape and I sleep, I wake up, my teeth don't feel completely dirty like they normally do in the morning, and also it makes you feel completely like as if you slept better. Like your mind doesn't feel completely like I don't know. It's just like when I wake up from not having mouth tape on, micropore tape, it basically makes me feel like as if I didn't sleep properly and like I don't know. It just makes me feel generally a lot like as if my sleep quality was just really bad. Like I can tell a big difference. Like I wake up without any micropore tape, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I don't have anything on, and then I like your dribbling is like you can start dribbling when you're breathing through your mouth, and then I just like my teeth feel so dirty in the morning, especially like when you're waking up and then you don't have any tape on. Because nose breathing is not very good for you actually. And if you sleep for like sleeping and mouth breathing for like 8, 9 hours in a row, it's not good. It's not good for your like mouth. It's not good because you absorb it filters out the air better when you breathe through your nose. And this will also help you grow taller, inshallah. Like like if you are improving your sleep, then you are improving your growth. It's quite like logical, and these are one of the things that like it will make it so it feels as if you're sleeping longer, but you're actually not sleeping longer. Like you get better quality, having a quality sleep rather than having a quantity that isn't actually as good. So you should definitely try this. It's normally like you can find at your local pharmacy for very cheap, and it's called micropore tape. Because you should try this out because you definitely I think you will find a difference. If you it might be the first time feel a bit uncomfortable, but once you start getting used to it, you can lie on your side, put a pillow, put like 2 or 3 pillows so that you're like kind of elevated when you're sleeping, and then you'll find it much easier to breathe through your nose. And this can help you a lot with your like with your improving your sleep quality, as there are so many benefits to sleep breathing through your nose, and you will feel much better, as well as your sleep quality will improve. Just try this. You try put it on, and after a few days you'll get used to it. You'll get used to it, and then you'll notice in the morning when you wake up you feel completely like better when because you've been breathing your whole like night through your nose, and this will make you feel much better. It'll improve your sleep quality and could maybe help you grow faster. So comment down below to see what if you notice a difference, because I definitely did notice a difference when I try like when I don't sleep with my mouth tape, I notice a difference. So just try out. I wish you the best. Assalamu alaikum.